Coin ring maker mail time. This is the second letter I've gotten from Bweave1. I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. You guys want to guess? It's going to be a longer video. A lot going to be going on, so hang around. Let's see what we got in here. Let's see here. Here you can see he's asking me for a size 7 ring made out of the coin he included. And he also asked me to include some happy birthday music. I'm going to try and see what I can do there. The happy birthday song is actually highly copyrighted, so happy birthday though. Let's check out the coin. That's really nice. The back of this is really clean. It's a silver quarter. Let's look at the front. Oh yeah, that looks good. Are you all ready? We're gonna make a ring out of it. So before I pop this out of here, y'all go ahead and put in the comments happy birthday Val, because that's who this is for. Happy birthday Val. Let's get to work. You know what that means. Time to punch a hole. Got it nice and polished up for you, man. Happy birthday, Val. I hope you like your ring. It's pretty.